Hello, it's lunchtime. Hey, I'm just always singing around this household, but I'm just getting ready to eat. Thought I would share with you guys how I have replaced pepper. I can't grow pepper. It's too cold in Michigan, so I have replaced it with Nasturtium. I grow the plant, dry the edible flowers and the edible leaves, and then just add them to any dish that I am preparing as I would with black pepper. Wonderful in chicken soup. I love it. So you might consider growing it yourself. It's a beautiful plant and it's very high in vitamin C and other medicinal purposes. I also make a tincture out of it. So that's my little friendly advice today. I hope you're growing in your faith and enjoying the life God has given us. I'm going to eat because it's lunchtime.